Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the earbuds automatically starts or pause music. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case and then close the case. The headphones will disconnect from the phone, and after that open the charging case to reconnect these headphones. Now, the second option is to go to your player. Maybe this is a problem with the player. So firstly, just remove it from the cache and open it again. Also, I recommend it to check a version. If maybe you haven't the last one version of your audio player, and just update it. And the last one option is to make a hard reset. So we should go to the Bluetooth now, put it to the charging case, and after that press and hold this connectional button until you can see that this LED light is start to be red. Here we go, we have a red one. Now we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device. And now click on your earbuds at the device list. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!